Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticatedme.com here with an Amazon Prime haul. Well, it's an Amazon haul. Most of the items that I got were from the Amazon Prime sale, but there is one more additional thing that I'm going to feature in today's video because I am sitting in front of my new backdrop, my new additions to my office. As you may recall, we switched some rooms around, and so now I have the smallest bedroom in my apartment. This space actually works out much better for me because number one, it's smaller, which helps me contain my stuff because I will admit I have some hoarderish tendencies. Hoarderish. There's a D in there. So because it's smaller, I got rid of a ton of things, and it's gonna help me, like I said, keep my stuff contained. I can't bring too much in because it'll be overwhelming for the room. So it's really working out for me. So because I'm here, I want to show you one additional thing, and I'll leave that for the end. But everything else, as I mentioned, was purchased during the Amazon Prime sale, and I looked these products up and there's still some good deals. Some of them still have coupons that are available, so I will link to everything in the description box below for you to check it out if any of these items interest you. So we're going to start with my new pots and pans. I have held on to my old set for way too long. They were from the Rachel Ray collection. They were green because at the time that I purchased them, that was going to be like our accent color in the kitchen. It's been a long time since green was a feature in my kitchen, so I knew that I wanted something that goes much better in our kitchen colors right now, so we picked out a gray set from Rachel Ray. It's pretty much the same set. It has everything that we need for our kitchen to make most of the things that we like. I did love my original green set because of that reason. It just has most of the stuff that we need. So I knew that I was familiar with the set, that I really liked the quality of it, and so that's why I purchased that one again. And we love our new set. We've been using it for the last couple of weeks since we got them, and they're amazing. They're great. Couldn't recommend them more. The next one is a fun one. As I mentioned, I switched rooms with my daughters, so now they're sharing the mid-sized bedroom. They still wanted to share a room, which was great for us because that meant I could still have my office. So we redid their room. We're in the middle of redoing their room. We got them some new furniture, and one of the requests that I got from my oldest was this beanbag chair, and I found this amazing brand called Corduroys, and their beanbag chairs actually unzip and fold out into mattresses. So if you have anyone sleeping over, it's really handy to have. Not only is it comfortable for your kids to sit in, day to day, but you also have that extra mattress there in case someone sleeps over. If they have a sleepover, a friend sleepover, or anything, a visitor, you can use that. So we love that for that reason. And we got such a good deal on it that, well, maybe it's not that it was such a great deal, although it was a really good deal. Maybe it's just because I was frantically shopping during Amazon Prime and didn't realize that I had ordered 2 instead of 1. But it worked out great because we have 2 girls and they each have a beanbag chair now. The next item I picked up was already affordable, but during the Amazon Prime sale, it was discounted even further. It's still a good deal, so definitely look into it. But what I got was another band, and I found this amazing band kit on Amazon. As you guys might know, I have an Hermes double tore black leather watch. Because I haven't been going out so much recently in the last, 2 or so years, I've mostly been wearing the Hermes black sports band that it came with. So I was looking for something that was kind of in between, something that was not as nice as the leather band, but also not as casual as the sport band, and I found this kit. Here is the band. I love it. I think it's exactly what I was looking for. It comes in 6 finishes, so you can get it in gold, rose gold, a silver, and a metallic blue. And the kit, the instructions were super easy to follow. It was easy for me to do by myself, and I couldn't recommend it more. And again, still affordable, so definitely look into it if you like it. Speaking of watches, I have been meaning to get a watch organizer for a while, and now that I have more bands, it was the perfect time. It had an additional discount during the Amazon Prime event, but still super affordable, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I have my 4 other bands here. I do see myself buying more bands for my watch. I have been interested in getting a like upcycled, refurbished designer canvas band for my watch. I have my eyes on a couple, so when I do acquire more bands, I will now have the perfect spot to store them in. So definitely recommend this. It's really good quality, really nice, and this one holds up to 12. So whether you're an actual watch person or an Apple Watch person, this will come in handy, because if you have Apple like me, it'll hold your bands, and if you are just a watch person, it'll hold at up to 12 of your watches. And last but not least, this is the item that I purchased after the Prime event, but I still wanted to feature it because it's actually featured here in my background, and those are the acrylic stands that I'm using to lift up some of the items in my Billy bookcase. I found a set that came as a 2-pack, which was incredibly priced, so I wanted to share that because you don't want to miss that deal. It works in bookcases, it works in closets, you can use it for decorative things, you can use it for handbags, lots of ways to use it. I really like them to lift up some of my smaller purses and items here in the background, so highly recommend them. And then I also got these acrylic shoe stands. Now they came with 4, but I'm actually just using them 1 per pair, so it worked out for 4 of my pairs. I'm only lifting up the shoe that is facing the front, and leaving the other shoe just flat on the shelf. So I really like it because it helps you see the shoe better. I didn't want to have the shoe leaning against the back of the Billy bookcase because it's much harder to clean the back. If you guys are familiar with these bookcases, they are nailed in at the top, at the middle, and at the bottom. And so if you are somewhere in the middle and you start wiping, you're kind of pushing against those nails, and I don't want to push that back piece off of the shelf. And that's why I'd rather keep it clean. It's easier to clean the shelves themselves than that back piece. So that's why they came in handy. But also it just helped me fit more shoes in the bookcase because I'm elevating it. And so if it has a chunky heel, which most of my sneakers are kind of chunky, it just helps them fit closer together. All right, and that was everything that I got during the Amazon Prime sale. And one more item, I'm sharing them because, again, even though I got them during the sale, they're still really well priced. I recommend them. And yeah, that's everything. Please let me know if you shopped the Amazon sale, what was the favorite thing that you've gotten, or even if you've shopped before or after the Prime sale, let me know about some of your favorite Amazon finds. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.